Red light. We're recording.
We're good. We're rolling. First of all, we got Taz behind the camera today.
So,
I'm putting that in.
oh, shit.
Oh, we've been recording this whole time?
Yeah.
That's the best part. We have so many parts here. I ordered these over the last 6 months. They've all just arrived. So over the next few videos, we're going to be installing some tail lights, some front bezels, and a couple of little engine part components. So first couple of things for the engine bay. We've got an inlet pipe from Perrin, and we've also got their engine cover. Hopefully inlet tube should give us a little bit more sound out of the induction, and it's just going to look way better in the engine bay. Current one, it's only 10,000 Ks old, and it's already looking a bit old. And the engine cover is just to match, get rid of the crappy plastic one that's in there. So let's chuck them in. I hate this toolbox.
Yeah. Whack.
So the only assembly for this, we just have to bolt in a couple of the little plugs so that it'll click into the OEM mounts in the engine bay. So yeah, we just have to bolt these little plugs into the back of it. So you've got little hex screws, a nice little washer. So these just use a 4mm Allen key in the back of it, nice and simple. So that's going to lock in the back. I'm just start it with fingers. Then if you're pedantic like me, as you tighten it, just make sure the Perrin logos are straight. Otherwise it's going to annoy me knowing that they're not. Just like that. So now that's ready to go in the engine bay. Ooh, that's still nice and warm, isn't it? Alright, so this plate should be super simple. We just lift up on this one. Comes straight off. And the new one. Just like that. Alrighty, so for the inlet tube, super simple. So we're just going to start by taking this PCB off. Ready, that one can just go to the side. And then annoyingly, one uses a flathead and one uses a Phillips. But you've got the 2 clamps on each end, and we should be able to gently pull this out, just like that. Cool, so the whole point of this is to get rid of this resonator, so we should get a nice little bit of extra sound out of it, and it's going to get rid of this nasty, old looking rubber inlet tube. We'll replace it with the silicone one. So just make sure you put your clamps on either end before you put it on, otherwise you're going to have a bad time. So just the reverse of what we did. So this one can slide. On there like that, and then we should be able to pull it back. Okay, we couldn't get it on.
No, you just got to pretend it's the plan. It's like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So next we're going to take the airbox off.
Yeah. So we're going to take the airbox out just so we've got a little bit more room to work with. So 2 bolts on the top and then 1 down in the engine bay. Okay, so now this should just come up and out. Just make sure you disconnect the mass airflow sensor. So now that we've got a bit more room to work with, we can put this in on first. Just like that. Leave the clamps loose. Cool, just like that. So you can go ahead, reinstall the bolts for the airbox. Okay, once those three are tight, reconnect the mass airflow sensor. And you can do the PCV tube as well. Cool, once that's back on, just adjust it, make sure it's sitting right. Adjust our band and then just tighten it down. Ouch, that alternator is hot. Cool, just like that.
That's not going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere. No key. Have you got the key?
Yeah.
Engine test 2.
Yeah, take 1.5.
Take 1.5, take 1.5. Alright, so that is a super easy install, took maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, so it looks a lot better than the old one. The engine cover just complements it a bit, gets rid of the crappy plastic that's in the engine bay. Alright, so nice and easy, so yeah, get rid of the plastic cover and our ugly old inlet tube, and more importantly the resonator, so we get just that little bit more induction noise out of it. That's nice and easy to do. It took a few minutes, pretty much anyone can do that.
You need to have your outro go into some like crazy dubstep with like
What?
weird graphics moving the channel logo in and out.